asuntoskeittiö Kalliotalo.
Another really beautiful little nature today. Here on Mechelininkatu 24 staircase B, and we have to get to staircase A also here. In Täällä Helsinki's forces. Also in Finland, I love this well in here. This is still also something completely unknown.
Yeah.
It was built in 1931. Oh, but the original building was the 10 on the 7th floor.
Yeah.
That's a spare board. It's in Verus H1568. It turned 90 years old in 2021. Let's try to get through the bench now so we can enjoy the ride. There you can, yeah. The inspection is delayed. It should have been in 2022.
Yeah.
It doesn't say the year, but we know it's 92.
Yeah.
I can spend on the nights.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it is from spring or summer in 1931.
Yeah. So it was not so far from 1930.
Yeah.
The light goes off too quickly,
Yeah.
but it's not.
His dead bike is that maintained by Sheila.
There you go. Strange. It goes off so quickly each time.
Yeah.
And again, the light's not okay. It's going.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the light was changed in the 1960s.
Yeah.
Should have been the original one.
Yeah.
And the original black shade. Thank you very much for watching. And the yellow validation.
Test.